Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode. Let's just say that 2022 is starting off on a good note. We had rain for the past month, and now look at this. Bright and sunny, clear skies. It is absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, cool weather. If you're new to the channel, my name is BeDistinct. I have a Supercharger G35. We are already going to start this year. We're gonna have to start strong by selling one of my cars. Yes, I am selling one of my cars. Also, if you haven't checked out the last video, go ahead, check it out. I freaking flew my honeycomb carbon fiber hood. I'm gonna wrap this hood, so I don't know if I'm gonna put this in this video, probably the next one, but I'm gonna be wrapping my hood. But go ahead, check that out. It's a freaking crazy moment seeing your hood fly off. I got the footage and it just went whoosh, just flew off. So go ahead, check that video out. But yeah, I am selling one car. So recently, a lot of people have been getting new cars, and specifically, shout out to freaking Genzilla. If you guys don't know, he's the guy with the red Genesis that shoots freaking insane flames. You guys might know him. Kind of hate him right now because of this video, right? So recently he had an unfortunate, thank God he's safe and all, but he had an unfortunate event where he happened to total his Genesis, right? In the rain. It was raining pretty hard here in Sacramento. Well, due to that, he had to get a new car, right? And the man, the legend, got an MK5 Supra. He got a freaking Supra, man. And you know, he's been giving me and my other friend Cino rides and all that, and the car is just absolutely gorgeous. It is beautiful, man. And by the way, talking about the Supra, I heard they're gonna bring out a manual version of the Supra. I don't know if it's still a rumor or not, but that would be so freaking mint. He's been having the Supra and he's just been sticking this whole freaking fever, like, I need a new car, I need a new car, right? Like that new car fever. So over the past few days, I've been like debating. I'm like, damn, bro, like I kind of want a new car. You guys may have seen that I posted on my Instagram how much would the G35 sell for, right? I was actually interested in selling my G35. I want something new for the channel, and I think I can get a decent amount for the G35. Obviously, I'm not gonna get every single penny that I freaking put into this car. Actually, nowhere near it. I thought that I could get a cool amount of money for this car, put it as a down payment for something big like a Supra or the 400Z or a GTR or something, right? But guys, do not get disappointed, do not get scared, because at the end of the day, I decided to keep my G35. This is my baby girl. This is what started the channel, man. I love this car, the work, I like the way it sits, and it's a beautiful car. So I am going to go ahead and keep this G35, which leaves us to one other car, that freaking Miata. I'm gonna be selling the Miata. So guys, this is an official post here on YouTube. I have not posted it on Facebook. If you're interested, you want to reach out, go ahead, DM me on Instagram, shoot me an email or anything. But I am officially selling this Miata. At the time, I only had my G35. I needed a new daily because I was going to supercharge my G35. I knew it was going to have downtime, so I wanted a second daily car. I was talking to my friends. A lot of my friends are like, bro, you should get a Miata. They're fun. And so I kind of listened, and you know, it is a pretty fun car. I'm not going to lie. It's a fun car. I think it just personally, I don't want to offend any Miata owners. Personally, the Miata is just not for me. I just do not like it at all. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a 1999 Mazda Miata with 106,000 miles. This is the mintest Miata that you will find in the market. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to bring you so much happiness. It's going to bring you all the ladies. Absolutely beautiful. But before we get into the quirks and features of this Mazda Miata, let me talk to you a little bit about the cons about the car. You know, let me show you its flaws, because nothing in this world is perfect. So it looks like this bumper is a replacement bumper. I bought it like this. I did not damage it. It already came like this. This can be easily fixed with some Bondo. Fix it, or just buy a new bumper, man. Just buy a damn new bumper. It's got a little bit of dents here and there. The Miata does have like one dent right there. I don't know if you can see, and it's also got another dent right there from how beast this freaking Miata is, man. Also, if you guys love drifting, this is gonna be the perfect car. Check this out. This thing drifted so close to the wall, it actually scraped it, bro. Look at that freaking mint right there. Got its original Mazda Miata 4-lug nut forged freaking wheels, 3-piece wheels from Volk Racing. Nah, just kidding, they're just the stock wheels, but they are absolutely gorgeous. Also, one thing you don't see often is well-conditioned soft tops, man. This did not come with its original soft top. This came with the brand new refreshed. I mean, just look at it. How often do you see a Miata with a freaking good condition soft top. Not often, right? It's even got the Rolls Royce freaking floor mats. Are you kidding me, bro? The ladies are gonna be all over you, man. Like, this is absolutely gorgeous. The royal treatment right here. Best thing about the car that we cannot forget, it's a freaking 5-speed. I mean, you're gonna be banging gears and banging chicks. I mean, oh my god, dude, what more can you ask for, man? And don't worry, guys, you will not be sitting in here in silence, because you have a freaking record player right here, man. You can connect with your phone and slap some beaters, bro. And best part about it, emergency lights work. Talking about the emergency light, freaking headlights in this Mazda Miata, the headlights and the tail lights and the reverse lights, they are all equipped with brand new LED lights, so they are bright as hell. Now you guys are probably asking, well, how much do you want for the Mazda, the beautiful Mazda Miata? How much do I want? First, I'm gonna ask you guys to recognize that this Miata is mint, man. I'm probably not gonna accept any lower than $10,000. I am going to go ahead and post it in the Facebook Marketplace for or better offer. Car smog, clean title. Man, Miata dream right there. Anyways, that's that. Let's go ahead and run some errands on the G35 and let's take it for a spin. And also, I will not be dailing the freaking G35 because that thing is dumb loud. I will be dailing Honda Civic, and I will be getting a new car, but I am going to be trying to get that 400Z when it comes out. It's gonna come on this spring, so we are gonna have to wait like about 3-4 months. But my goal is to get a blue one, a blue 400Z. It's gonna look so damn good. New deodorant, man. I need to buy a new one. This car's so loud. Always turn off the BDC, ladies and gentlemen. Damn, I almost had that full. Almost. You gotta turn off BDC. Alright guys, this is the next day, but I'm pretty much going to be concluding the video. This was just an announcement to announce that the Miata is officially going up for sale. The G35 is staying in the channel and it won't be leaving anytime soon. Or actually, I don't even plan on selling the G35. But tomorrow, you guys know, if you guys are new to the channel, I have this issue where I do not close my hoods. And so my hood has flown off twice, guys. It has flown off twice. It's a world record. Everybody give me a hand of applause down in the comment section below. But tomorrow, hopefully my friend's gonna come over and we're gonna go ahead and design, or I'm not gonna say we're gonna, because my friend, he's the freaking engineer, freaking electronic guy, but he's gonna design something for us to pretty much alert us. It's gonna alert us when the hood is open. It's gonna make some kind of sound or something to let us know that I cannot drive the car because the hood is open. It's like, this is, I know it sounds ridiculous, but guys, like, I've flown my hood twice, guys. Twice, man. So something has to be done. But thank you guys so much for the support. Hopefully you guys had a beautiful New Year's. Let's make 22 a banger. Like I said, I plan on copying the 2023 Nissan Z. That's gonna be the next car on the channel, hopefully here soon. And I can't wait, man. A freaking G35 and Nissan Z, bro. It's gonna be absolutely immense. I asked this guy who's pretty freaking well off. Like, the guy has freaking bank. He bought me some drinks and he was like, and I was like, so what do you like to do on the weekend? The man said, I don't have no weekend. Every day is a Monday. I was like, yo, bro, I got so inspired right then and there. So every day is a Monday, ladies and gentlemen. Every day we grind. So that being said, I'll leave you guys with that motivational quote. Thank you guys for all the support, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.